So, straight to it. You already know, asking questions. First thing, your name and where you're from.
Okay.
My name is Busa. I'm from Turkey.
Okay. That was dope. And your name?
I'm from Turkey too. I'm Besta.
Oh.
Turkey in the building. What's going on?
Talk about it all the way from New York.
So far?
We love it.
You enjoy it?
Yeah.
How about you?
It's a great city. I love it.
Great city. They enjoy the city though. The city. Nice. What you love about the city though? What you love about the city?
I don't know. It's my first time here, to be honest.
It's your
Like,
first time
it's
here?
my first time in Times Square. So
And what's your favorite sign?
I think my favorite sign is also Taurus.
The Taurus. And what is your sign?
I'm Taurus.
Oh, so she would date her own sign.
Yeah.
That's bold.
I ain't gonna lie.
What about you?
I love Taurus too.
You love Taurus
Yeah,
too? And
man,
what's
yeah.
your sign?
I'm Sagittarius.
See a Sag.
A Sagittarius and a Taurus?
Mm-hmm.
That might...
It's compatible. It's very, you guys get along very...
Yeah.
Okay.
I love Earth signs.
First question. Are you guys over 18?
Yeah. I'm 20.
Yes?
I'm 21.
Okay. Y'all
First
let's get it.
question. During romance,
Okay.
lights on or lights off?
I think dim light, like
Oh, she want the candle.
dim light, like little.
She like the
bit,
candles.
Candlelight.
Yeah.
Lights on or off?
Lights off.
Okay. Lights off. She said...
No faces, no faces.
Acting like you're too good for me.